huge attack by the Congress party, where the party says that Sachin Pilot and two other cabinet ministers have been sacked. Sachin Pilot replaced as the Rajasthan Congress chief. This is a big development. This is a very, very big development. The gloves are off now. Gloves are off. Congress party making it official. Sacking Sachin Pilot, accusing him of conspiring with the BJP, saying that he wanted to topple the government. The party saying they did him a favor by giving him a ticket at a young age. Saying that they gave him party responsibility when he was young in his 20s and that they made him a minister at the central level at a young age. Sacking Pilot, replacing the Rajasthan Congress chief and insulting Pilot, saying that party was not built on individuals. This is a big development in Rajasthan, one that could have repercussions for years and decades to come. This is big. Sachin Pilot, who has been associated with the Congress party for years and decades now, has been sacked officially by the Congress party. One of the tallest leaders, one of the most promising leaders in the Congress party, who was not recognized by his own party and meted out humiliation. Let me go across to Anuj as we get Aishwarya, Abhishek and all our team of reporters live. It's a very big development, Anuj, something that we expected. In fact, Republic TV was talking about how he will be sacked and removed as the Pradesh Congress Committee chief, and it's now been done as the party openly attacks Pilot now.
Well, exactly, Niranjan. Now this is official. The dividation is official. Sachin Pilot has been sacked. Sachin Pilot and the team has been sacked. That is something which is being stated by Randeep Surjewala, and that's the order of the High Command. That's the decision of the High Command to sack Sachin Pilot, and the words that have been used by Randeep Surjewala there in that very press conference is an embarrassment. For Sachin Pilot, and the kind of language that has been used, that he was given the opportunities since his younger age, and that's something which is being stated by Randeep Surjewala. Finally, he has been sacked as the PCC chief. He has been sacked as the deputy chief minister. All the ministerial post has been taken from Sachin Pilot. That's something which has been announced now. This is official by the Congress party. This is official by Randeep Surjewala, and this is official by the top brasses of the Congress party. The High Command was giving the opportunity, and that's something what we were telling it to our viewers since from the very morning, that this is all a strategy of the Congress party. Again, the CLP leader meeting was called today. So Congress party was very much ready with this script, was very much ready with these words that we have again and again tried to convince Sachin Pilot and the camp. We have again and again tried to Sachin Pilot and the other ministers, but they were not ready.
We don't know whether there will be a counter news conference by Sachin Pilot, will there? We don't have full details. Let me in fact go across to, stay with me, let me go across to Piyush as well. Piyush, where is Sachin Pilot? Will Sachin Pilot hold a news conference? Or will Sachin Pilot hold a news conference? This is a big development. His camp has just responded via a statement, but will Sachin Pilot hold a news conference to respond to the Congress party and its charges?
It's most likely because the statement has already been issued by Sachin Pilot camp, in which the statement was signed by two ministers also of Sachin Pilot camp who have already been sacked. Remember, Sachin Pilot along with the other MLAs, actions have been taken against them also. But the big news coming in is that Sachin Pilot has now been sacked from all the posts. We continue to report from ITC Manesar, where these MLAs of Sachin Pilot camp, they continue to stay for the last three to 4 days. Yesterday we also saw a video which was released by Sachin Pilot's office, in which we saw these MLAs were sitting. Now it will be really interesting to see as to what will be the statement, what will be the press conference, and what will Sachin Pilot say when he does the press conference, because now it's evident, it's imminent in fact that Sachin Pilot must come out and issue do a press conference or issue a statement at his own part, because it's high time. For the last 3 to 4 days he's completely silent. He has maintained complete silence. We have been also trying to reach out to Sachin Pilot. He was not at his residence. He is not here at ITC Manesar. The MLAs continue to stay here. There are some ministers also with whom we are trying to speak. They are also asking us to wait, and they will definitely come out and speak. We'll have to wait and watch what will they say. But now a big decision has been taken by the Congress party after the observers who were sent to Rajasthan. They have now decided that Sachin Pilot will now be sacked. He will be sacked from Deputy Chief Minister's post, and all the ministries will be taken from him. We saw the kind of things those took place. Congress party also tried to reach out to Sachin Pilot for several times, but this time Sachin Pilot had made up his mind. He wanted a complete change of leadership in Rajasthan. Rajasthan. But Congress party did not listen to what Sachin Pilot said, and finally a decision has been taken against him. He has now been sacked. Now we'll have to wait and watch what Sachin Pilot says. We believe that now he will do a press conference. At least the ministers who have been sacked, even at least they will come out and speak, because it's high time that Sachin Pilot must also put forth his views. He is in Delhi for the last 4 days and we have not heard anything from Sachin Pilot yet. We'll have to wait and watch what he says after he does the press conference. It's most likely that he can do a press conference. Before I give it back to you,
stay with me. Let me go across also to Abhishek Kapoor. Let me also go across to Abhishek Kapoor. Abhishek, the tone of the Congress party. Looking at some of the pointers made, they said Sachin Pilot wanted to topple the government. He conspired with the BJP. We made him a minister. We gave him a ticket. We made him an MP. We sent him to parliament. We made him a union minister. They did everything. Also adding that no individual. They didn't win because of individuals. Abhishek, they're insulting Pilot now. It's down. The gloves are off. They're down to insulting Pilot by saying he literally hasn't contributed to the Congress's return in Rajasthan.
Yes, Niranjan, if you're getting me, look at the statement that was made by Randeep Surjewala. He said that Pilot can come back, that whatever differences can be sorted. And the next statement was that the leader is being sacked as the Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan. The leader who actually almost single-handedly really brought back the Congress party to power has been sacked not just as Deputy Chief Minister, but as the President of the Pradesh Congress Committee, or as the head of the Rajasthan Congress, post he held since 2014. It could not have been more confusing, conflicting messaging so far as the Congress party is concerned, that while he's wanting the leader to really come back, he's sacking, or the Congress party is sacking Sachin Pilot also from the posts of Deputy Chief Minister and the PCC Chief, also in the same soundbite announcing the new PCC Chief. So, it's like rubbing salt to the wounds, adding insult to injury, and expecting that Sachin Pilot would really take it lying down, irrespective of whether he forms his own party or joins the BJP. Or, what is important is that the divorce between the Congress party and Sachin Pilot is complete with that press conference which was just carried out by Randeep Surjewala. The Congress party might have its reasons saying that 30 attempts, 29 attempts, 31 attempts were made to reach out to the leader. But then the fact is, whatever is happening now is not because of what has happened in the last 48 hours, Niranjan, as we have been reporting. Whatever has happened in the last 48 hours has been triggered by events of last almost year and a half, when Sachin Pilot has faced humiliation after humiliation from the old guard of the Congress party led by Ashok Gehlot, the Rajasthan Chief Minister. The latest example of which was 2 days back, when in a video conference, the Chief Secretary asked the Chief Minister whether the Deputy Chief Minister should also be called and included in the discussion. The Chief Minister said, "Rehne do usko." This is the manner in which Sachin Pilot has been treated, and whatever we are seeing in terms of his rebellion now is essentially a result of that mistreatment that was building up over a year and a half. So I believe even now the Congress party with that press conference has really mishandled Niranjan, while on the one hand inviting him, and then on the other sacking him as Deputy Chief Minister and the PCC Chief. So it could not have been more confusing if really Congress party wanted to send some message.
Yeah, I have Abhishek. I also have Pradeep